Acronyms. ACNN, an isotropic convolutional neural network. AI, artificial intelligence. AUC, area under the receiver operating characteristic curve. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. BFS, breadth first search. BIDOF, bidirectional attention flow. BRNN, bidirectional recurrent neural network. CBO, continuous bag of words. CCDCLM, context-to-context document context language model. CIDR, consensus-based image description evaluation. CLN, column network. CLSP, cross-lingual lexical sememe prediction. CNN, convolutional neural network. CNRL, community enhanced network representation learning. COCO-QA, common objects in context question answering. CONV-C, convex combination of semantic embeddings. CONVA-KNRM, convolutional kernel-based neural ranking model. CSP, character enhanced sememe prediction. CWE, character-based word embeddings. DCNN, diffusion convolutional neural network. DEV-EASE, deep visual semantic embedding model. DFS, depth first search. DGCN, dual graph convolutional network. DGE, directed graph embedding. DKRL, description embodied knowledge graph representation learning. DRMM, deep relevance matching model. DSSM, deep structured semantic model. ECC, edge conditioned convolution. ERNIE, enhanced language representation model with informative entities. FMIQ, a freestyle multilingual image question answering. GAN, gated attention network. GAT, graph attention networks. GCN, graph convolutional network. GCNN, geodesic convolutional neural network. GEAR, graph-based evidence aggregating and reasoning. GenQA, generative question answering model. GGNN, gated graph neural network. GLOVE, global vectors for word representation. GNN, graph neural networks. GRN, graph recurrent network. GRU, gated recurrent unit. HAN, heterogeneous graph attention network. HMM, hidden Markov model. HOPE, high-order proximity preserved embeddings. IDF, inverse document frequency. IE, information extraction. IKRL, image embodied knowledge graph representation learning. IR, information retrieval. CALM, knowledge augmented language model. KB, knowledge base. KBC, knowledge base completion. KG, knowledge graph. KL, Kolbach-Leibler. KNet, knowledge guided attention neural entity typing. KNRM, kernel-based neural ranking model. KR, knowledge representation. LBSN, location-based social network. LDA, latent Dirichlet allocation. LUC, linguistic inquiry and word count. LLE, locally linear embedding. LM, language model. LSA, latent semantic analysis. LSHM, latent space heterogeneous model. LSTM, long short-term memory. MAP, mean average precision. METEOR, metric for evaluation of translation with explicit ordering. MMD, maximum mean discrepancy. MMDW, max margin deep walk. MNMF, modularized non-negative matrix factorization. MO versus MF, mixture of von Mises-Fisher distributions. MRF, Markov random field. MSLE, mean square log transformed error. MST, minimum spanning tree. MVRNN, matrix vector recursive neural network. NEU, network embedding update. NKLM Neural Knowledge Language Model. NLI Natural Language Inference. NLP Natural Language Processing. NRE Neural Relation Extraction. OOKB Out of Knowledge Base. PCNN Piecewise Convolution Neural Network. PLSI Probabilistic Latent Semantic Indexing. PMI Pointwise Mutual Information. POS Part of Speech. PPMI Positive Pointwise Mutual Information. PTE Predictive Text Embedding. PVDBOW Paragraph Vector with Distributed Bag of Words. PVDM Paragraph Vector with Distributed Memory. QA Question Answering. RBF Restricted Boltzmann Machine. RC Relation Classification. RCNN Region-Based Convolutional Neural Network. RDF Resource Description Framework. RE Relation Extraction. RMSE Root Mean Squared Error. RNN Recurrent Neural Network. RNTN Recursive Neural Tensor Network. RPN Region Proposal Network. SAC SEMEME Attention over Context Model. SAT SEMEME Attention over Target Model. SC Semantic Compositionality. SCOS Semantic Compositionality with Aggregated SEMEME. SCMSA Semantic Compositionality with Mutual SEMEME Attention. SDLM SEMEME Driven Language Model. SDNE Structural Deep Network Embeddings. SEWRL SEMEME Encoded Word Representation Learning. SGD Stochastic Gradient Descent. SGNS Skip-Gram with Negative Sampling Model. SLSTM Sentence Long Short-Term Memory. SPOS SEMEME Prediction with Aggregated SEMEME Embeddings. SPCSE SEMEME Prediction with Character and SEMEME Embeddings. SPICE Semantic Propositional Image Caption Evaluation. SPSE SEMEME Prediction with SEMEME Embeddings. SPWCF SEMEME Prediction with Word-to-Character Filtering. SPWE SEMEME Prediction with Word Embeddings. SSA Simple SEMEME Aggregation Model. SSWE Sentiment-Specific Word Embeddings. SVD Singular Value Decomposition. SVM Support Vector Machine. TADW Text Associated Deep Walk. TF Term Frequency. TF-IDF Term Frequency Inverse Document Frequency. TKRL Type Embodied Knowledge Graph Representation Learning. TSP Traveling Salesman Problem. TWE Topical Word Embeddings. VQA Visual Question Answering. VSM Vector Space Model. WRL Word Representation Learning. WSD Word Sense Disambiguation. Yago, yet another great ontology.